Hi, this is Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine at aimag.com, also from the Buzz Kanter YouTube channel. And we're looking at our next project for American Iron Magazine. It's not done, but we're moving along. And I'm not going to give all the details here in the video. You're going to have to look at the magazine for that, the American Iron Magazine. But this started out as a 2019 Indian FTR1200S. It came with the gold upside down forks. It came with the monoshock rear. And we've made some modifications to it. Pretty much most of it's bolt-on at this point. Starting at the front, we still have the original tires on, but we went to a carbon fiber front fender. We went to carbon fiber covers over what would traditionally be a gas can or a gas tank, but it's actually not. It's really just the air box. All the carbon fiber stuff give it a sort of a go-fast look. Fairly easy installation. It only takes a few basic tools in a few minutes. We also upgraded with the Corbin seat. Makes a big difference. Looks great. Very comfortable. Good firm feeling in the back, so you're not sliding around at all. Very comfortable. The exhaust. Well, what we did is we left the stock header pipes in place. We left the stock catalytic converter. That's just down here. But we did change the slip-on mufflers and went with the QDs. This bike was delivered with Acropovics, and the Acropovics are wonderful muffler, really, really nice. These are a little bit smaller, a little bit tighter, and a little bit louder, a little teeny bit louder exhaust, not crazy. The other thing we did is we got rid of the awful-looking rear license plate holder, which wrapped around the back. And we used this Corbin install here. It's very simple, very clean, very elegant. From the other side, so we got rid of that hideous license plate and turn signal holder that wrapped off the swing arm and back over the wheel. So here you have it. So what does it sound like? Okay, let's have a look. Again, these are the QDs. The other thing is we did take the baffles out. It's got a little can opener piece in it, which unscrews. Literally, it's just a bolt on it. So how does it start? Well, you come over, you turn on the ignition switch, powers up, the command module, command center, comes on as it cycles through. And you can hit the OK button here, or not, I will. Okay, and then you can set it. There's different ways. With the button here, you can set the face. So here we've got gauges, phones, different. So right now it's on standard, so I can move it over to sport mode. Moves over to sport mode. Traction control and ABS can be on or off. So we'll put them on, switch it back over, and then the starter button's right here. Now you can hear what it sounds like with the QDs with the small can opener devices inside removed. Give it a little gas. They're not really much louder than the motor. So once again, this is Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, aimag.com, out on a nice, mild winter day in New England. The other thing we did is we did flash the system. So we updated it, and the flash got the motor happier with this exhaust system. Also, it got rid of the cold start idle issues. These bikes are notoriously warm-blooded, or cold-blooded, I guess, and if you start them when they're cold, it takes a while. Sometimes they actually stall out. So by reflashing it, it's made a much better bike. Once again, this is Buzz Kanter from American Iron Magazine, aimag.com, with the American Iron Project bike. There are more changes in store, but I thought we'd share them with you now. Thanks, and happy riding.